This is Keith Albertson of IISE. We're at the Applied Ergonomics Conference in Orlando. We have an attendee with us. Please introduce yourself, tell us where you're from and what you do.
Yeah, my name is Kathryn Lieffrig. I'm a manufacturing engineer at Danfoss Power Solutions based out of our Ames, Iowa location. I've been with the company like 4 years now. This is my first time attending AEC in person.
So it's your first time. What brings you to AEC?
I've always had kind of a niche excitement for ergonomics and applied ergonomics, and I've been a part of IISE since my undergrad. So it was just kind of, I found out that it existed via just a random email, honestly. And I was super excited to attend the first conference, and then of course COVID hit and it ended up being virtual, but I still attended all the sessions and still got a lot out of it. Same thing with the next year, it was still virtual, but again, the sessions were super unique. They did a really good job of adding in some virtual tables, if you will, so that we could still have that networking component that's still added, which I recognize a couple familiar faces here because of it. So being in person, that was so much more surreal.
Well, that's great. Well, being in person gives you a chance to network and meet some people in person. How do you hope that is going to help you, going forward in your career?
I feel like the biggest benefit from a business standpoint is just seeing some of these applied products that we really didn't get to last time. It was very much more research-based and conversational-based, but seeing the actual applications now, I can see stuff that I can actually implement in my manufacturing environment and see it in the workplace.
What are some of the ergonomic challenges that your company's been facing in the past few years that you hope to learn more about here?
I feel like most of the primary issues that we have at our site is some lift and lower issues and reachability issues. So the pumps that we manufacture weigh as much as I do, and I'm not going to give you that figure, but heavy pumps to be lifting without any sort of assistance. So using some sort of alternative technology such as exoskeletons, or ensuring that we're utilizing the best practices to make sure that we're doing that in a safe environment. And then being, our Ames location is our North America headquarters for Danfoss, so we've got a lot of seating involved as well. And I know COVID's brought in a lot of different ergonomic considerations that you might not have thought of, like people slumping in their chairs for hours upon hours a day, some weird configurations they have from a work from home setup, so a lot of stuff that you just wouldn't have considered that now is a big issue.
Well, that's great. Well, what else do you hope to learn here? Are there any particular tracks that you're sort of aiming at, or presentations that you want to attend to take something back with you?
I know that I've got a really big interest in the exoskeletons just because it's such a unique technology. I'm also looking for some alternative kinematic database softwares. I'm doing research utilizing virtual and augmented reality for offline ergonomic assessment. So I've been exploring some technologies that might be able to help assist with that. I know there's tons and tons of solutions out there, but it's tough to get some of that biometric data and translate it to something actually statistical and utilizable.
Mm-hmm. Well, we hope to see you at future conferences. We're glad you're here. Glad we all have a chance to get together. Great to have you with us. Have a great conference.
Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you.